Here's an unboxing of this WineWhiz electric wine opener set. Let me raise this up a little bit so we can get a little better view. There we go. Nice packaging. Let's get this piece off. There we go. Really nice case, hard case, nice rubber handle right there. Definitely nice. See how smooth the zippers are. No problems there. And here's a look inside the case. So over here you've got a mesh pocket. There's got some little pamphlets in there, instruction manual or whatever. And then here's the main unit. Just give you a close-up of each piece here. Obviously you'll assemble these together before you use them, but nice storage case to there we go, to break it all down and easily store it away and transport it. And then lastly, charging cable. Comes with everything nicely customized inside of this case. I think you'll be really happy with this product.